Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I would like to tell you about tables, new smart tables in Google Sheets. So here you can see an untitled spreadsheet, a simple spreadsheet, and here is the update. You can see this bar at the right side of the screen. We can see some features, events, tasks, projects. And so this is the types of tables that we can choose and then put our data here. We have some events planning, customer relations, project management, and other types of tables. Let's choose, for example, something for project management. For instance, I don't know, let's choose project resources. We put insert. And here it is. Here's the new table, the new formats of tables. So how does this table work? We have some casual, simple cells, which after some actions, we can make a table. So then here we can see some columns that has been predefined for this type of table. Here we can edit the type of the column. For instance, it can be a number, a text, a date. So we can choose what values we would like to store there. So for instance, this table is for names. Here we can see roles, status, and so on and so on. Now let's move to some example. I have prepared some raw data, and we will together create a table from this raw data. Here you can see the spreadsheets with the transactions of a company. This data is arbitrary and it wasn't taken from any company. So here we can see several columns like city, company, products, and so on and so on. And in total we have 77 rows. We have different cities here, different companies, different products, and some more information. And let's look how to create a table from this raw data. We need to select the whole table, all cells that contain this data. If Windows, then push Ctrl A. If you on Mac, push Command A. And that is, you have selected the whole table. Then we go to formats, and there we push the button convert to table. And here it is. We have created the table. We can define the name of this table. For example, let's put transactions as tab is called. Here we can choose the type of the cell, the type of the data that we would like to store in this column, the cells. So I would like to store their text. There I would like to store data, date, just date, from its date, everything seems to be right there. Also we can make filters for this. We can push this button and we can push filter column and make some filters there. Also, if we would then add some data there, then for example let's put Berlin. So this new row will also add to the table that we have created. Now let's talk about what would be if we would delete this column, this table. Also we need to select the whole table, Ctrl A for Windows and Command A for Mac again. So we select and then we choose delete columns A to G, and everything is deleted. Also, we need to take into account that cells are deleted and then ordering have stayed proper. So it will be A, B, C, D, F, G, and so on and so on, and 1, 2, 3, and so on. But these columns has actually deleted from the sides and from the bottom, since you can see this gray area in the right corner of my screen. And if you need, of course, you can insert additional columns if you need. Also, we can see that the first row have freezed. In order to fix this, we go to the view, freeze, and freeze no rows and no columns. So I choose only no rows, since only rows have been freeze after the deletion of our table. So that's all for from new smart tables. That's a small update, and I think it's really useful to use in your daily routine at work. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.